This is another technique using this same liquid fabric paint. And for this one, I've cut a tiny heart out of the freezer paper and ironed it down. And then I've gone ahead and used a pencil, and I've used the eraser end as my stamp. And then I've just gone ahead and stamped different color circles all over. And as I stamped those, I was sure to overlap them around my paper. And I just went through and did 3 different colors. I have metallic, silver, pink, and the blue. And then once I'm done, I can peel that heart off and I'm left with the reverse shape that is not painted over. So I can go ahead and then just cut this, and this could be the front of a t-shirt. Now another example is the opposite. I cut a heart out of freezer paper, and this one's much larger. I ironed it down, and this is on the right side of the fabric. And then I took the same technique with the pencil and the same paint, and I went ahead and did dots of the 3 colors all inside this heart, and I was sure to overlap around the edges. And now that it's dry, I can just go ahead and peel off the freezer paper, and it comes right off pretty easily. And then I have this cute little heart that is now on the shirt that was created using a couple different colors of paint. And then I can line this up with the front of my shirt, sweatshirt, or t-shirt pattern and have that decorative element on there.